following is the evening class, November 9th, 1991, in Freeport, New York.
And not to be. Can he be? Gaura Das Prabhu? Huh? No. Jiva is to be enjoyed, isn't it? Jiva is to be enjoyed by him, isn't it? Huh? Yes. I don't say yes. Krishna is only enjoyer and we are all jivas to be enjoyed by him. That is what we needed. So he is bhakta. We are bhaktas. Do you understand? We are bhaktas. This is the tattva of bhakta and bhakta. Gaura Das Prabhu. Do you understand me? Huh? Yes, this is tattva. Do you understand? He manifested, he displayed that thing. How he is bhakta and how everybody is bhakta. Do you understand? How everybody should be enjoyed by me. It's tattva of bhakta and bhakta. That he manifested by stealing the garments of gopis. Isn't it? That is. Savai Patihi. In Bhagavatam you said, he is the only husband of everybody. Huh? Do you understand? Is he not your husband? Gaura Das Prabhu? Is he not your husband, Haridas Prabhu?
Everybody is called husband.
Yes, Savai Patihi. He is the only husband. Isn't it? In Tattva, Jiva is what? Jiva is Prakriti, is feminine. Isn't it? Prakriti means feminine, Strilinga. Shakti means Strilinga. Isn't it, Haridas Prabhu? Huh? So, he is only Purusa. Only one Purusa. He is only Purusa. You are all. Shakti means feminine. The Purusa enjoys. Purusa means enjoyer. Isn't it? And feminine or female or woman to be enjoyed by Purusa. Isn't it? Gaura Das Prabhu. Thereby she will get enjoyment. If she will be enjoyed by Purusa. Isn't it? Huh? Gaura Das Prabhu. So Jivas, we are Jivas. So we are Shakti Tattvas, feminine, so we should be enjoyed by the only Purusa, only enjoyer, Krishna. This is Tattva. Bhakta and Bhakta Tattva. But when that Krishna came as Mahaprabhu, huh? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he came, he took up sannyas. Huh? At the age of 24, isn't it? Young age when he was a young man. 54 years old, young man, blooming youth. He took up sannyas. Do you understand? He left his young wife, Vishnu Priya, isn't it? Newly wedded wife. Young wife Vishnu Priya, he left. Took up sannyas. Very strict sannyasi, ideal sannyasi, navina sannyasi. Very young age he took up sannyas. Do you understand? And very strictly followed the principles of sannyasa dharma, isn't it? Ideal sannyas. There he manifested how strict he is. He is Krishna. But in Krishna Lila, there he stole the garments of the gopis. There he displayed that Lila, that tattva, how he is enjoyer. He is bhakta, all others are bhakta. Here he, in Gaura Lila, he manifests this thing. You understand? He took up sannyas, so strict. Strict, moralist, strict sannyas, ideal sannyasi. Do you understand? He is a dear devotee, very dear devotee, Jagadananda. Isn't it? You know Gaura Das. You are dear servant of Gauranga. Name is Gaura Das. Jagadananda Pandit, who is in Krishna Lila, Satyabhama, his wife. Isn't it? He is Jagadananda Pandit in Gaura Lila. Is very dear. He brought very scented sandal put oil, chandan toila. Himself prepared. His Ayurvedic preparation and brought. Oh, big pot. He brought. Because Sriman Mahaprabhu was chanting, dancing, crying for Krishna. Ko Krishna Nanda Kula Chandrama, ko Sikhikaram Kruti, ko Mandra Murali Ravo, ko Rasarasa Tandavi. Isn't it Gauradas Prabhu? Do you understand? Saying this thing and crying, shedding tears. Who is Krishna himself? Oh, you are poor. You have made him Krishna. How he'll cry. You have made him Krishna. Just put a flute in his hands. Gauradas Prabhu, put a flute. Oh, you are Krishna. Oh, I am Krishna. Oh. How can I? Where is that Krishna? Oh, where is that son of Nanda Maharaj? Ko Krishna Nanda Kula Chandrama. Ko Krishna. Sikhi Kalankudi. Where is that Krishna whose crest is there? Peacock feather. Oh, yeah, peacock feather is on your crest. Oh, how can he cry? Gauradas Prabhu, you stopped his crying. So painful to Gaura. So painful. He always in Vipralamba Bhav. Always in Vipralamba Bhav. Feeling the pangs of separation from Krishna. But Krishna himself. Radha Bhav, Gopi Bhav. Isn't it? Where is that Krishna? Kahan gale, kahan paavo murali vadana? Keho mate beta iva Brajendra Nandana? Saying this and crying. Where shall I go? Where shall I find that son of Nanda Maharaj? Who will help me in finding him out? That Krishna who is holding flute in his hands. That flute touching his lips. Murali Vadana. Then if you make him Krishna, if you make him Murali Vadan, how can he cry? Gauradas Prabhu. But he's in a mood. This is a mood. Don't disturb his mood. Don't disturb his mood. So painful it is to Gaura. You understand? That tattva we understand. He is not different from his Krishna. That way. Those who know, when they say, oh, you are Supreme Lord. You are Supreme Lord, Supreme Lord. He closes his ears. No. Gopi Bhartu Pada Kamalayar Dasa Dasa Dasanu 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 Dasa. I am the servant of the husband of gopis. So, he says this thing. How can he say this thing? Isn't it Gauradas Prabhu? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Try to understand me. How can he cry? How can he see? Ko Sikhika Alankriti ko Mandra Murali Rava. Where is that Krishna? With the flute in his hand and playing so sweetly. Where? Ko Rasa Tandavi. Where is that Krishna who dances in the Rasa? So, he cries. This is Gaura. Gauranga. Do you understand? That mood. Gopi Bhav. Bhakta Bhav. He has come here to teach us. I was telling that thing. Krishna was thinking, oh, I gave everything. Confidential. More confidential. Most confidential instruction. How many can understand this thing in tattva? Nobody. And again, this is Kali Yuga. Most degraded age. People are all engaged in this sinful activity. Eating stool. They are eating stool, isn't it? Big billboards are here. Huh? Big people with best people. Huh? What is that? Roasted beef. Roasted beef. Huh? Then fried chicken, fried pig, cold wine, beer, open beer, 24 hours. Huh? Eating stool, eating stool. What is the consciousness? So, animal consciousness is dog consciousness. My Guru Maharaj said this is dog civilization, not God civilization. Huh? They are loving God. They are loving dog. They are not loving God. Isn't it a waste? Huh? They are taking so much care of the dog. Huh? Loving dog. You see, they are kissing dog. Taking so much, so much care of dogs. They are taking dogs in flight, spending thousands of dollars, you see. Huh? In the flight for dog. You see. No inquiry about God. It's all inquiry about dog. Huh? What is this dog civilization? It's not God's civilization, this Western civilization. They're eating stool. How can they understand this tattva? Their consciousness is so low. Animal consciousness. Isn't it, Gaurav Das Prabhu? There are 5 levels of consciousness, isn't it? What are those? That's not conscious. Kosha, that is kosha. Anamaya kosha, jnanamaya kosha, anandamaya kosha, that is kosha. That's not consciousness. That's not consciousness. 5 levels of consciousness. You know, Haridas Prabhu? हाँ 5 चेतना स्तर है. There are 3 modes of mental nature. आवृत चेतना, संकुचित चेतना, मुकुलित चेतना, विकचित चेतना, पूर्ण विकचित चेतना. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Mahajan, Sadhu, Acharya, Vaishnavacharya. He says this thing in Chaitanya Sikhyamrita. Do you understand, Gauradas Prabhu? In English, we may put it in this way. Cover consciousness, sunken consciousness, budding consciousness, blossoming consciousness, completely blossoming consciousness. There's 5 levels of consciousness. Do you understand? 5 levels of consciousness. So human beings come under these top 3 levels of consciousness. This is budding consciousness, blossoming consciousness, completely blossoming consciousness. In other words, complete Krishna consciousness. That's the highest level. And that is the goal to be achieved. Whatever level of consciousness you are, you should elevate yourself to that highest level of consciousness. Completely blossoming consciousness, complete Krishna consciousness. That is the success of your human life, the goal of your life. But other spaces, they come under this cover consciousness and sunken consciousness. Abrita Chetana and Sankujita Chetana Astha. So people in Kali Yuga, they are in this level of covered consciousness, like animal consciousness, not human consciousness. It's dog consciousness. It's not God consciousness. It's dog consciousness, animal consciousness. They come under this covered consciousness and sunken consciousness. How can they understand? Krishna is thinking like that because he is Ruda. He is your well-wishing friend. So he is thinking. No, they cannot understand. And I only said this thing theoretically. Isn't it? Theoretically saying you will not help. Huh? Will it help? Theoretically saying? Unless there is practical demonstration. Huh? So popular saying we have. Example is better than precept. Isn't it? समझते हो मेरी भाषा? I can understand English very little. So I ask, why have you come to this country where all say English? What purpose is that? You take help of Gauradas Prabhu, he'll help you. Haridas Prabhu. Gauradas, Haridas, friends, best friends. Gauradas, Haridas. Do you understand? Gauradas Prabhu. So he thinks like that. such low consciousness. They are eating stool. How can they understand what I said in Tattva? They cannot. I have to go again. I have to go again. So he came again as Gaura. You understand? So he came again as Gaura, as Bhakta. Bhakta bhavangi kari. Bhakta bhavangi kari. Do you understand? Juga dharma prasarimu nama sankirtana sari bhava bhakti diya nachamu bhuvana. I will make the whole world dance. Do you understand? I will preach Juga dharma, Hari Sankirtana. Kali Juga dharma hoy, Hari Sankirtana. Etadarthe avatinna Sri Sacinandana. Isn't it? Do you understand, Gauradas? You are his Das, dear Das. You should understand. Kali Juga dharma hoy, Hari Sankirtana. Etadarthe avatinna Sri Sacinandana. This is Kali Juga dharma, the Hari Sankirtana. Isn't it? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, 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 Hare Hare. Isn't it? Sangha Pangastra Parsada Jogging Sankirtana Pride Jajanti Sumedasa. Krishna Varnam Tuisa Krishna. Sangha Pangastra Parsada Jogging Sankirtana Pride Jajanti Sumedasa. He came in, he didn't come alone. He came with Anga, Upanga, Astra, Parsada. Isn't it, Haridas Prabhu? Ekla nahi aaya hai. Anga, Upanga, Astra, Parsada. Taking all these things with him, he came here, aaye hai. Who is Anga? Anga kaun hai? Yes, Anga kaun hai unka? Who is Anga? Nityananda. Do you understand? Anga. Upanga, sublime. Advaita. Is Anga, Upanga. Astra. What is his weapon? No weapon he holds in this. Yes.
His beauty, this is what he conquers the demons with his beauty.
This Harinam, Sankirtana, do you understand? Sankirtana and Shastra. Shastra is Shastra. Do you understand me? Bhagavata Shastra, the essence of all Vedic literature. Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanamamalam Prema Pumarthamahan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhuramatamidam Tatsadarana Para. Gauradas Prabhu. This is the opinion of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanamamalam Prema Pumarthamahan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhuramatamidam. This is the opinion of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Bhagavata, Srimad Bhagavata is spotless proof. Prema Bhakti Tattva has been said here. Prema Pumarthamahan. Isn't it? So we accept this. This is, Shastra is his Shastra. This word, Sanskrit Haridas Prabhu. This Shastra word is derived from Sas Dhatu. Isn't it? Sas. Sasan. From Shastra, Sas Dhatu, Sisya. Word Sisya is also formed. Isn't it? Sas. Sisya, Sas Dhatu, Shastra. So, Guru inflicts Sasan through inflict his severe discipline and disciple is Guru Sasan and Shastra Sasan. Do you understand? So these two, Shastra and Guru, they inflict Sasana on us. Isn't it? Therefore, Shastra. So this is Shastra, weapon. Do you understand, Gauradas Prabhu? So this is Mahaprabhu's weapon. Shastra and Sankirtana. This is weapon. And Parsada, his devotees. Gadadhara Srivasadi Bhakta Vrinda. They all with him. Do you understand? Panchatattva. Do you understand? This is, he introduced. Started this Sankirtana Jagya. Jagya Sankirtana Prarihi Jadanti Sumedasa. Those who are intelligent, wise, they take part in Sankirtana Jagya of Gaura. And through this Sankirtan Yajna, they worship Krishna. Do you understand? That is that Bhagavatam verse. And why he started? And why he came? To teach you how to surrender. Do you understand? He theoretically said when he came as Krishna, Sarvadharmana paritejya mamekam saranam brother. Giving up all varieties of religion, just surrender to me, theoretically. Do you understand? But people of Kali Yuga, learning dog consciousness, animal consciousness, eating stool, they cannot understand this tattva. So he came again to teach like primary school teacher. Primary school teacher teaches. When the child goes to primary school to begin education, what does that primary school teacher do? He holds the hand of the child and says, write A, like this, A, B, C. Holding his hand, he teaches. Similarly, he's teaching us. Like he came as an acharya, ideal acharya, sadhu guru. Kali Yuge sadhu guru paiba duskor janiya. Sadhu guru rupe Krishna janmila nodya. Isn't it? You are Bengali. You understand this thing? Huh? Sadhu guru rupe Krishna janmila nodya. Isn't it? It is very difficult to find real ideal sadhu and guru in Kali Yuga. Who is sadhu, who is guru? Very difficult to get. So Krishna then took his bath in Nadia as sadhu guru. Huh? Sadhu guru rupe Krishna janmila Nadia. That means he did acharya leela, teacher. Because he came to teach us how to surrender. Huh? Huh? What is that? Huh? Sikhaya Saranagati Bhakotero Pran. Huh? You know that song? Huh? Sikhaya Saranagati Bhakotero Pran. Huh? Suyo Dhama Soparsada Saha Avatori. Huh? Don't you know that song? Huh? Huh? Sikhaya Saranagati Bhakotero Pran. Isn't it? Huh? To teach us how to surrender, he came. He is Krishna. Because he says, I have theoretically said, I have not practically demonstrated. I have to go again. So he came again to teach us how to surrender. Isn't it? He's teaching us how to surrender. Crying. Do you understand? Chanting the holy name of Krishna and crying. Because in Kali Yuga, there is a name incarnation. Kali Yuga Nama Rupe Krishna Avataro. Kali Nama Rupe Krishna Avataro. Nama hoite hoye sarvo জগত নিস্তার নাম হইতে হয়ে সর্ব জগত নিস্তার নাম হইতে হয়ে সর্ব জগত নিস্তার নাম হইতে হয়ে সর্ব নাম বিনা কলি কালে নাই আরো ধর্ম নাম বি কলি কালে নাই আরো ধর্ম সর্ব মন্ত্র সারনাম এই শাস্ত্র মর্ম ও মন্ত্র সারনাম এই শাস্ত্র মর্ম Isn't it? So, Kalikale Nama Rupe Krishna Avatar. There is no incarnation. In Kali Yuga is a name incarnation. Abhinatvam Namo Namino. There is no difference between the name of Krishna and Krishna himself. Isn't it, Gauradas Prabhu? Huh? So it's a name incarnation. No other incarnation in Kali Yuga. Huh? Is there any incarnation? Huh? Huh? Yes, at the end of Kali Yuga, is Kali Yuga beginning, where Kalki comes. 4,36,000 years Kali Yuga, only 5,000 years have gone. Kalki will come at the end, no incarnation. Namarupe Krishna avatar, only name incarnation, isn't it? Nama hita hoy sarva jagata nistar. Whole world will be delivered by this name. Is a name avatar. And this avatar, name incarnation is more merciful incarnation. Do you understand? Nam, नामी, हाँ, नाम और नामी दोनों के बीच कुछ भेद नहीं है, किंतु नाम इज मोर मर्सीफुल, अशेष दया नामी के अपेक्षा, isn't it? Name is more merciful than naming. That Krishna, do you understand? Naam, that is it. So, name incarnation, sarva mantra saro nama. In all shastras this has been said. The name is the topmost thing. Do you understand? Topmost thing. In all Vedic literature, this has been said. So he came with that name. Golokera Premadhana, Harinama Sankirtana. Isn't it? It's not an affair of this material, or is Golokera Premadhana. Namneiva Pradurasi Avatarati Parejatratam Naumi Gauram. जन्नातम कर्मनिष्ठैर नच समधिगतम जत्तप ध्यान जोगैर वैराग्यै त्याग तत्व स्तुति भीरपि न जत कीर्तन चापि कैश्चित् गोविंद प्रेम भाजांगपि न च कलितं जद रहस्यम स्वयं च नाम्नैव प्रादुरासीद अवतरति परे जत्रतं नौमि गौरम. You understood? Haridas Prabhu, this is Chaitanya Chandramrita. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pada has said this thing. You understood? Haridas Prabhu? This is Gaura. No being Gaurang, I pay my obeisance to that Gaura. Who gave this prema? Do you understand? Krishna prema. Through chanting this holy name. Namneiva pradurasit. This prema will not be available. Nobody can get prema. Through karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, tyaga, Vedic study. No. ब्रह्मार दुर्लभ प्रेम सभाकारे जाचे पतित पामर नाही बाचे. Isn't it? Even Brahma cannot get it. It's difficult for the Brahma to get such, but April gives this prema. Because this is needed. Braja prema. Braja word is very significant. Sarva dharman paritejya mamekam saranam braja. This word is significant. Braja prema is the question of Braja prema. The love developed by the Brajavasis, by the inhabitants of Brajabhumi. Do you understand? Especially gopis. Do you understand? Ramya kachid upasana Brajavadhu vargyana ja kalpita. That Mahaprabhu says. Aradhye bhagavana brajasatanayo tadhama vrindavanam. Ramya kachid upasana Brajavadhu vargyana ja kalpita. Isn't it? That Brajasatanaya Krishna should be worshipped. Kishora Krishna, son of Nanda Maharaj. Jasoda Nandana Krishna, Nanda Nandana Krishna. The son of Nanda Maharaj, who is always 10 to 12 years old. Kishora Krishna, very beautiful and attractive Krishna, should be worshipped. And his dear abode, Vrindavana, should be worshipped like that. How worship should be offered? Brajavadhu Vargana, Ramya Kachidupasana, Brajavadhu Vargana Jakalpita. As the Brajavadhus, dancers of Brajabhumi offer worship with love. Isn't it? Madarthe tekta dehika. Isn't it? Madarthe tekta dehika. Manmanaska madarthe tekta dehika. Krishna said. Manmanaska, always thinking me, never forgetting Krishna even for a moment. That is Manmana Bhava. Krishna said, Manmanaska, always thinking me, never forgetting Krishna even for a moment. That is Manmana Bhava. Do you understand? Manmanaska. Mother Thetakta. They're prepared to give up their life for me. Anyhow, Anyhow, they are survived with the hope that I'll go. Krishna into Mathura, didn't come. Then Akrura came, took Krishna and Balaram. Do you understand? The gopis rolled, cried and rolled on the ground before the chariot. Let that wheels of chariot roll over us. Let us be crushed. Let us die under that wheels. We cannot survive without Krishna. Such is love. Do you understand? Such is love. Right? It's question of love. Braja Prem. Ama bina anya nari Braja Prema dite. Nobody else can give this Braja Prem but me. So I have to go and give Braja Prem. He's giving Braja Prem through chanting. Mukhyo pothe jivo pai Krishna prema dhana. Mukhyo pothe jivo pai Krishna prema dhana. This is chief result of chanting this Hare Krishna Mahapantra is prema. Nam neiva pradurasit. He gave this prema through chanting this holy name. That is the niraparadhe naam loile pai Krishna prema. If you chant offenselessly, then you get Krishna prema. If your chanting is offensive, how can you get? Isn't it, Gauradas Prabhu? Huh? That is the stage. Adu Shraddha, Tadhadu Sango, Tadhadana Kriya, Tadhanartha Nivrati, Nishtastato, Ruchistato, Tahasakti, Hava, Prema, Bhudantati, Bhavet Krama. Rupa Goswami says this thing, Bhakti Samrita Sindhu. Last thing is prema. Isn't it? And he is that prema through chanting this holy name. Very freely, indiscriminately. Brahmaradullo prema sabakari jati. Patito pamara nahi bache. Because this prema is needed to surrender. Without prema, your surrender is artificial, either artificial or partial or conditional. Not true surrender. Isn't it, Gauradas Prabhu? He practically demonstrated. Sikhaya saranagati bhakotero pran. Sikhaya saranagati bhakotero. To teach us saranagati, he comes. Isn't it? Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu, jibe daya kari, suparsada sodhama sahita avatari. Saho avatari. Sikhaya saranagati bhakotero pran. Isn't it? That song you know? Very nice song. Saranga saranagati hoibe jahara tahara prarthana sune Nanda Kumara. Isn't it? If I really surrender, saranga anukulesa sankalpa pratikulesa varjanam rakhestiti vishwasa gopturte varanatata atmani kepa karpanni sarvadhas sarvidhas saranagati. Do you understand? 6 symptoms. One who is complete surrender, you'll find these 6 symptoms in him. Saranga saranagati hoibe jahara tahara prarthana sune. When complete surrender, Krishna hears his prarthana, his prayer. Otherwise, he'll never hear. So he is Krishna himself. He came personally to teach you how to surrender. That is with prayer. This question of love. And he gives that love, Krishna praying through chanting this holy name. Otherwise, there's no question of surrender at all. Then you can understand. Your Chetodarpana Marjanam. Your heart will be cleansed of all material contaminations. It will be purified. It will be fit place now for Krishna to sit through the Vrindavan. Hridaya Vrindavana. Isn't it? Haridas Prabhu? Hridaya Vrindavan. Tomar Hridaya Sada Govinda Visrama. Govinda Kahe Namaro Vaisnava Purana. Isn't it, Gauradas Prabhu? Oh, Vaisnava Thakur. Tomar Hridaya Sada Govinda Visrama. Isn't it? Oh, Vaisnava Thakur. Govinda Krishna is there in our heart. Isn't it? In our heart. Is Hridaya Vrindavan. That Hridaya Vrindavan is Vrindavan. Krishna is there. Tomar Hridaya Sada Govinda Visnam. Govinda Kahe Namaro Vaisnava. Govinda Bhakta. That Vaisnava is my life and soul. বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর, কৃষ্ণ যে তোমার, কৃষ্ণ দিতে পারো, তোমারও শক্তি আছে, আমি যে কাঙ্গাল, কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি, তাই তব পাছে পাছে। Isn't it? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ও বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর, কৃষ্ণ belongs to you because you are bound of Krishna in your heart. হ্যাঁ, গৌরদাস প্রভু। হ্যাঁ, ভক্ত আমা প্রেমে বান্ধিয়াছি হৃদয় ভিতরে, ভক্ত প্রেমে বান্ধিয়াছি হৃদয় ভিতর, যাহা নেত্র পড়ে তাহা দেখো আমারে। Isn't it? হ্যাঁ, ভক্ত আমার প্রেমে বান্ধিয়াছে হৃদয়ের ভিতরে। That devotee, their devotee has bound me up in his heart with the rope of love. Premaraj, isn't it? Wherever he looks, he only sees me, nothing else. This is love. Huh? Isn't it? Sada muktopi bodhasmi bhaktena sneharajjuvi. Haridas Prabhu. Huh? You understood? Sneharajjuvi, premarajjuvi. Huh? Sada muktopi bodhasmi bhaktena sneharajjuvi. Though I am supremely free, still I am bound up with the rope of love of my devotee. Isn't it? Huh? Isn't it? That is what. Bind him, bind him. Now, Damodar month is going on. Mother Jasoda binds him. Sudho bhave brojeshwari karai bandhana. Brojeshwari karai bandhana. Sudho bhave sakha kori skandhe arohana. Isn't it? It's Suddha Bhav. It's pure love only. That Brajeshwari Jasoda Mata binds him. Isn't it? Bhaktir vadhattam bhaktir jitatam. Are you not chanting? No? Damodar Ashtaka, Gaudadas Prabhu. How he becomes bound up? It's with love only. With love. Isn't it? Haridas Prabhu. प्रेम रज्जु स्नेह रज्जु है ना, इसमें बंधन होते हैं ना। कैसे उनको बांधेंगे? प्रेम रज्जु से। तो प्रेम नहीं तो कैसे होगा? Gauranga gives prem through chanting that holy name. Bind him, bind Krishna. Do you understand? That is what needed. Then that is Saranagati. Saranagati. Do you understand? Saranagati. Rupa Raghunatha Padadhari Bhakti Vinod Thakur Sikha Saranagati Kara he Uttama. Do you understand? Begs that thing. And in Billamangal Thakur also you find in Krishna Karnamrita, when Billamangal Thakur became blind. So Krishna came. Oh, Sadhu, you are going to Vrindavan. How will you go to Vrindavan? Now you become blind. Yes, I am going. Catch hold of the stick. I will lead you to Vrindavan. Isn't it? So he led him to Vrindavan. Then now you are Vrindavan. You have now reached Vrindavan. Then snatched away by force that stick from his hand. Then Billamangal Thakur, oh, you snatched the stick from my hand. Can you go from here? हृदय से निकल जा सकते हैं? पौरुष है ना? पौरुष है। हृदय यहां से निकल गया ना, यहां से निकल जा सकते हैं। इन कृष्ण का नाम से हस्तमुत्क्षिप्त्यो जातोसी बलात् कृष्ण किमद्भुतं हृदयात् यदि निर्जासि पौरुषं गणयामि ते। हरिदास प्रभु, you slipped up from my hand. Is it your Paurusha? Oh Krishna, if you can slip up from here, then I will understand that you have Paurusha. Can you go from here? He cannot go. His bondage is so tight bondage, unbreakable. Krishna has no power to break it. No power, no power. I cannot. That is what Gaura teaches. Thank you.
Mark, the question.
Yeah.
According to you, and also the Shastra says that we should not disturb Mahaprabhu.
Yeah.
But you can see here,
Hmm.
Mahaprabhu dressing like gowns and some dress, I mean, not Western, but some Indian. Something that.
Whatever. You dress like that, whatever that. Don't put peacock feather. I said, don't disturb his mood.
Yeah, but
Yes, don't disturb his mood.
temple of some.
That I say, whatever ISKCON temple is Vaishnava temple, this is Vaishnava philosophy, Baba.
Yeah, but
This is Vaishnava philosophy, this is philosophy of Gauranga.
so we should or we should not.
I say, don't disturb the mood. That will never please Gaura. Our service is meant for his pleasure or for your pleasure. Huh? For whose pleasure? Huh? His pleasure. If he will be displeased, why shall we do? Huh? Tell me. Simple question. Huh? Gaura Das Prabhu, what do you say? If this service will displease him, why shall we do? Huh? If it displeases him, huh? Isn't it? We should not do. Because this will disturb his mood. My Guru Maharaj said, don't disturb the mood of Gauranga. Don't disturb. Don't disturb. He has said.
My question is, so this is Prabhupada recommended and no, we should do not.
Prabhupada said, don't disturb the mood of Gauranga. He said that thing. You should understand what Prabhupada says. You should understand. This is Tattva Vichar. What Prabhupada said, that should be understood in Tattva.
Yes.
Guru says like that.
We are disturbing or not?
I think you are disturbing. You are disturbing. He cannot cry for Krishna now because I am Krishna now. Sikhi Kalankruti. Where is the Sikhi Kalankruti? Where is that Krishna on whose crest is peacock feather? How will say like that and cry? Gauradas Prabhu. Oh, I am. Oh, I am. Huh? Sabas. Why he assumed the mood of Radharani and also at the same time the complexion of Radharani? If only he would have assumed the mood of Radharani, will it not be suffice? Why he assumed the complexion of Radharani? That is the question. Very important question. Very confidential question. Huh? Do you understand me? My question? Why he assumed the mood of Radharani as well as the complexion of Radharani? Isn't it, Gaura? Huh? Radha Bhav and Radha Kanti. Isn't it? Huh? Gaura? अपने है ना राधा रानी का भाव एंड राधा रानी का कांति हाँ bodily complexion. Why? If only he would have assumed the mood of Radharani, would not have been suffice. Why assume the complexion of Radharani? Radharani is crying. Do you understand? And feeling thanks of separation from Krishna. Similarly, he is crying. Do you understand? He is crying. But when by other side look at him, oh, he is Syama. He is Krishna, so he cannot cry. So he assumed the complexion of Radharani also. What he says, Gauranga nahi moro Radhango sporsana Gauranga nahi moro Radhango sporsa Brajendra sutabina Nasparse anya jana. Why he says, this is not body of Gauranga, this is body of Radha. Huh? Only Brajendra Sutta, only son of Nanda Maharaj can touch this body, nobody else can touch this body. Can he say like that? Huh? कह सकता है जब इनको कृष्ण बनाएंगे? हाँ? क्या बोलते हैं हरिदास प्रभु? ये ऐसे कह सकता है? रो सकते हैं? कभी नहीं रो सकेंगे. He cannot cry, he cannot say like that. Oh, I am Krishna. This is my Krishna body. Is how you can say Radha Anga? Is Radha's body? You understand? Huh? Gaurudas Prabhu, you understand? This is from Chaitanya Charitamrita. Huh? Gauranga Nahimaro Radhanga Sparsana Brajendra Sutabina Nansparsya Anyajana. Huh? How will it be? Huh? Do you understand me? This is our tattva. What is ISKCON temple? ISKCON is something different. Huh? This is Mahaprabhu's movement. This is Gaura Tattva. We are preaching that thing. Gaurangir Vani, Gaurangir Sikhya. Eh? क्या प्रचार करते हो? Gaurangir Vani, Gaurangir Sikhya. Isn't it? So, what is ISKCON is something different. Thank you.
Yeah, and yeah. I know that this is
Mind is not fixed.
yeah.
Hovering it up here and there, you see. Not fixed.
According to previous life.
Yeah, previous Sukruti.
Yeah.
That helps. If someone has acquired this Bhakti Mukhi Sukruti, naturally he is attracted. He must come and do sadhu sangha. And from sadhu sangha he can understand tattva. Otherwise, sadhu sangha, nija tattva bhagatta hana, nija tattva jani ar sansara na chai. Kenava bhojinu maya kore hai hai. Are you crying for it? Alas, alas, alas. Kende bole, oh, hey Krishna, ami tobo das. Tomar chorono chhadi hoinu so. Are you crying for it? Then, if you know tattva and you fix, then you cry for it. You dash your head.
So,
That is what needed.
Yeah, more is I don't know. No, things are when I was just gone last
The sadhu sangha is required. Sadhu sangha. Sadhu
everyone.
sangha.
Before joining ISKCON, I was feeling very nice.
Do you understand? Sadhu sangha is required.
Yeah, but after 10 years, I'm not feeling good.
You are,
As
you
like
are not
before.
doing sadhu sangha.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Be serious. My Guru Maharaj says, be serious. This is for serious students, isn't it? Take it seriously. There's no seriousness.
Yeah,
You have no seriousness. All superfluousness. That kind of thing. You understand? You need slapping. Sadhu will slap you. Catch hold of your ear. Then you'll get his mercy. Vaishnava Dandai Kripa, isn't it? Yes. Accept his punishment. Then you will get mercy. Otherwise, Vaishnava says, nice. Cheated. He's cheated.
keep this kilometers.
Yeah, kick. Then he danced in ecstasy. Oh, I got mercy. You see? And then Vaishnava has two things, Kripa and Vanchana. Vaishnava has two things, Kripa and Vanchana.
You mentioned that Jagannath was kicked out by the Mahaprabhu.
Yes,
So he spots them.
yes.
More he's PhD in Sanskrit.
Yes, I know, I understand. Yes.
Gujarat.
Gujarat, that's ठीक है.
Just to let's go.
You know Sampradaya? Tamil Nadu.
अच्छा.
Tamil Nadu Sampradaya.
They didn't get
Become devotee of Gauranga. Come to the fold of Gauranga. हाँ? गौरांग के कब्जे में आ जाइए.
Long time, I have long time.
हाँ.
I was West Bengal, no that
He joined his
1 month.
Bombay.
84.
Was in
अच्छा, अच्छा.
for 5 years in his camp. Within his camp.
But left.
I have long time.
Working outside something comes temple like that.
No, it should completely surrender. Surrender.
Complete.
Complete surrender.
I was Jagannath Puri many times.
अच्छा. Anyhow, but now you completely surrendered unto Mahaprabhu, accepted a guru from this Mahaprabhu Sampradaya, Gaurav
I know.
Sampradaya. You understand? That will be nice for you, Haridas Prabhu. समझते हैं ना? हाँ, अच्छा ही होगा. गौरांग, गुरु गौरांग की कृपा ही चाहिए.
Go India next time should be more as
Yes, come to Bhubaneswar.
I was Bhubaneswar, Cuttack many times. How many?
All right. Next time when you go, जब भारत जाएंगे ना, तब भुवनेश्वर आइए. You understand? भुवनेश्वर आइए.
I have two questions I want to ask you. Sorry to bother this. But one question is that if Krishna is the original cause of everything, if everything is coming from Krishna,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So at some point in time, there must have been Krishna and no one else, and nothing else. Is that true?
That Krishna says.
So at this time,
Mm.
so my question is that there are all these different ecstasies that the cowherd was, the gopis, everyone was feeling because of relationship.
Loving relationship.
So if they were not existing, if there were not all these cowherd boys and monkeys and everything, and there was only Krishna, did he have a personal form always, or was he before satisfied?
You have eternal relationship with Krishna. Some rasa samandha you have. Yes.
But no, but I mean, what I'm trying to say is, if everything is coming from Krishna,
Yes.
then must be that there was some time when there was only Krishna and no one else.
That Krishna says, sometimes means Krishna is eternally there. He is eternal, Nitya. He is eternal. Not that he is not, there is no, there was or there is not such a time when there is no Krishna. He is in Nitya.